tornado was located near Winslow, 47 miles south of Monroe, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Damage or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Monroe, Evansville, Brodhead, Orfordville, Albany, Footville, Magnolia, Attica, and Judah. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes. Wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado warning